Welcome to the TurboTrainer how-to video on the web-based analysis program. The analysis program can be found going via the turbotrainer.com website and entering your login details into the login section on the home page. The first page that is displayed on the analysis program is the rides page. The rides page is just a calendar format showing what rides have been completed on what days. So if we click on one of these rides that have been completed, it comes up with just a short summary of the date that the ride was completed, the name of the activity, and depending on what external device you have connected, things like the average watts for that activity or the average heart rate will be displayed as well. If we click on this banner here, it will take us through to the more in-depth analysis page. So at the top of the page, you'll see the activity name, and then it will give a summary of what your average and maximum were for your power and heart rate if they're connected, and it'll also show your cadence information if that's displayed as well. To the right, it shows your power and heart rate. So over here we have the zones that are being set. Now this information is set through your settings page in the app, and also for your heart rate as well. It will display the zones information there as well. If we scroll down a little further, in graph format, it will show us the breakdown of the ride that we've done. So you'll see down below here, it will show all the segments, and then it'll show the actual data for those segments that are being completed, each one. So if we highlight one of these segments, at the top in the graph, it'll actually shade that section of the graph out, and it'll show you your data summarized over the top of the graph as well. These graph elements, we can actually turn these off as well. So if you just wanted to see, say, the power, then you can actually turn the others off as well. So with the speed is actually calculated just using an algorithm based on the power. So if you have a power meter connected, it'll graph a speed reading for you for that activity as well. Scrolling further down, there's some other graphing information that I won't go into too much detail on for these, but based on the right data, the analysis program will show you the power curve, a histogram based on your zone information, and also a power versus heart rate reading as well. So you can go right in and do an in-depth analysis on all of your ride data. If we scroll to the top, some of the other information that is available is information on the power curve and also your training load as well. So based on using fairly simple equipment, trainer equipment, as long as you've got a power meter, a heart rate monitor or a cadence sensor, you can collect data and analyze the data quite in depth using the TurboTrainer analysis program. Thank you.